The Google Pixel Watch is finally official. Google announced it today at its annual fall hardware event, and we're some of the first people to go hands-on with the company's first smartwatch. Without further ado, let's head inside. As I mentioned, the Google Pixel Watch was just officially unveiled, and the long-rumored smartwatch is here to challenge all of the smartwatches on the market by delivering a dedicated accessory for Pixel phone users. As you might expect, the Pixel Watch leverages Google's suite of services, offering practically every program from Google Maps and Google Pay to Google Assistant and YouTube Music. But that's only half of this smartwatch's story. Fitness tracking is entirely backed by Fitbit, meaning users will get both basic activity data as well as access to Fitbit Premium's holistic health features. The Google Pixel Watch starts at $349. That's for the Bluetooth-only model. The LTE model goes up to $399, and there's only one configuration in terms of size, but there are 3 color options: matte black, gold, and silver. Further customization is available from a collection of watch straps that have been made custom for the Pixel Watch. There are 7 total styles to choose from. The thing I'm personally most excited about in the Pixel Watch is its integration with Fitbit Fitness tracking. At the foundation, the Pixel Watch has basic fitness tracking, active zone minutes, sleep tracking, but then of course if you have Fitbit Premium, you'll unlock features like daily readiness score and all those advanced sleep tracking metrics. The other encouraging thing about the Pixel Watch is how it'll be so deeply integrated with Google programs. There are some smartwatches that have a few Google programs here and there, but this watch is probably going to be the first that we see that truly has all of the Google programs that people might want to use on a daily basis. The final thing I'll mention is that the Google Pixel Watch is rated for 24 hours of battery life. Of course, we're going to have to put that to the test to see how it holds up. So there's been a lot of anticipation for the Google Pixel Watch, and I'm very excited to see how it pans out in testing. If you want to follow along with all that, be sure to hit us up on Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram at Tom's Guide. We'll be documenting all of our coverage there, so stay tuned.